Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on the Resource Hogs mod. Now, you may have I'm gonna assume that you have this installed on your Minecraft world. If not, there's gonna be a link to a video which explains how you install mods in a like really easy way. Anyways, if you have it installed, this is how you make it work. So you may notice that when you load into a world, it says Resource Hogs has not been configured with any valid resource types. Please configure the mod or resolve any noted errors. Now, I'm gonna show you how to configure the mod so that you can actually use this. Now, this mod, like it's as customizable I think as a mod could get. If if you don't like want to make your own mod, because this can technically add like depends on, well, you can really add an infinite amount of things using this mod, I guess. I don't know why you would want to add an infinite number of pigs to your Minecraft world, but you can do that using this mod. And by that I mean an infinite number of unique pigs, because yeah, you'll understand soon. Now let me show you how you make this mod work. So first, you're gonna want to leave the world, leave the game. Now these three dots next to the play button, you open the folder. Here it is. Now we open the config folder, the resource hogs folder, and the types folder. Now this folder is empty. You don't have any pigs. Congrats. You make a new text document. Remove all of this and then call it something that basically makes you like remember that, yeah, this pig is this text document. So for example, I want to make a pig that produces iron ingots. Iron, uh what am I doing? Pig dot json. Now you need to remember that it has to be a dot json file. And now, yeah, please change the file extension. There we go, dot json. Now we open the thing and you may notice that we have stuff in here. We have absolutely nothing in here. Congrats. So now I'm just gonna real quick go ahead and just paste in this, which you can find in the description, so you don't have to type this yourself. I also think that's supposed to be dimensions. Dimensions. There we go. Anyways, ID. What do you want your pig to be called? I want the ID to be iron because that would make sense. Then the inputs. Now, this is what you use to craft your pig. And now, if you don't understand what that means, I'm gonna show you in a moment, okay? So, for example, I want it to be Minecraft iron block, because you can technically get an infinite amount of iron ingots from this, so I want it to be at least a little bit balanced. Then the output. I want it to produce Minecraft iron ingot. Iron ingot. There we go. Then next off, the diggable blocks, you don't need to change that, but if you want, you can change that. I'm going to show you what that does in a minute. Then we have the render block. What do you want your pig to look like? I want mine to look like a Minecraft iron block. There we go. Now this should work. What I have right here should allow me to make a pig into the game. So now I just close this. Now you see that I have this right here. I close the folder, click play, and wait for my potato PC to start Minecraft. You're gonna see my Microsoft account, which I don't want you to see. Or you're gonna see the name of it. Oh wait, never mind. That's just the same name as my Minecraft account has. Ah, who cares? Let's play. Now we need to wait for like half an hour for my potato PC to do anything. I expected more waiting time. Anyways, let's. Okay, I guess my PC isn't that bad. Like it's 7 years old, and it does really well, I think, for a 7-year-old computer. I don't know. This is my first computer ever, so I don't really know how well computers should do after 7 years. Anyways, single player, ignore the world name, by the way. Let's jump right back into the world we were just in. The moment of truth. The Resource Hogs folder, and it worked! Because now it's no longer empty. Let me show you how this mod works. So first you need a bucket of mud, with the type of an iron ingot, for example. So, for that, I think you need dirt, water, and whatever material you chose. So for me, that would be iron ingot. Now, let's go into survival. Combine all of those. Okay, that's definitely not how you combine it. Was it even through crafting? Did you do this? No, you definitely did not do that. Okay, there's a creeper there. Wait a minute. let me check. I think this says how you craft the bacon. Hmm. Normal pig and bucket of mud. Water bucket of pig. Yeah, but that's what I tried doing. Oh wait, never mind. It was an ironing and I forgot. Slash give as iron block. There we go. So now, yeah, that's the bucket of mud with an ironing it type. Also, did I duplicate my bucket? Also, you can't pour this out, by the way. You may notice that. Um. Anyways, let me just. Oh no. Insane dream clutch moment. So now we're here. This is where I want to keep my pigs. Let's get some. Let's slash summon pig. There we go. That's a pig. Now I need a few gravel. I need some gravel. So because that's what I set it to dig. Now I give it the bucket of mud. Now it looks like an iron block, obviously. So if I just push it over this gravel right here, it doesn't do anything because we set the dig tick delay to 1200 ticks. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait a while for that. But instead of doing that, we can also try summoning another pig and then going into creative mode. Uh, 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 there. So there's two different ways. What for the first method is, did that thing not have AI? Anyways, the first method is make one of these guys dig whatever block you chose it to dig. So for me, that would have been gravel, and then it would just dig the gravel up, and nothing too special about that. Uh, but once it has dug up the gravel, it would give you a truffle. And depending on what you gave it as the output material, it's gonna give you for example, for me, that would be the truffle type iron ingot. There's another way, a slightly more gruesome way. I wonder where Mr. Pig. Oh, wait. Th 3 bacon iron ingots. Now, if you don't want to constantly keep making new pigs, you can use the truffle method. But if you have the materials, I guess you can just well technically you get out. No way, you need yeah you can kill one of these guys to get the bacon. Now I have a truffle and some bacon. What do I do with that? Well, glad you asked, even though you probably didn't. I placed bacon into the crafting grid. It gives out iron ingots. I get a truffle, I place that in there. Oh wait, no, that's not how truffles worked. I kinda forgot about that. Uh, uh, mhm. Oh, four truffles equals one iron. So for example, if I would go get four truffles, then go back in survival mode, I have four truffles, I throw them in there, and I get one iron. So yeah, if for the more efficiency, I think you're gonna have to, use the sword. But if you have a lot of time, truffle works as well. Now, for the modded things. So first, you want to press F3H. Advanced tooth tips will be shown. Great. So now I want to go into the Twilight Forest because that's another mod I have installed. And what object should I or what thing do I want to automate? This thorn rose looks pretty cool. So first, Twilight Forest thorn rose. Let's write that down somewhere. Uh, Now that's obviously not a really useful thing, but I don't care. And then the thorn leaves, Twilight leaves 3. So let's do that real quick. Twilight Forest colon Twilight leaves 3. Right? Yeah. No, wait, they're both it. Oh no. Well, that's gonna be a bit of an issue, but I don't really care. Let's now exit the world again. And this time, do the exact same thing as last time. So open another one, go into the mods, not the mods folder, go into the config folder, go into the resource hogs, types, and make another text document. So I want that to be the thorn rose pig dot json. Yes, I want to change. Okay, there we go. Now we're in here. And what I want to do next is, yeah, so here's the thing. I get the ID. What do we want it to be? Thorn rose. There we go. Then we do the inputs. Uh, Twilight Forest Thorn Rose. Then the output. I also want it to be Twilight Forest Thorn Rose. Now you may be wondering why I chose to also save the Twilight Leaves thing. Well, that is because I need the render block, so do the Twilight Forest Twilight Leaves 3. Now I should have everything in here should work, except for that part. Valid dimensions. There we go. Now all of this should make us a Thorn Rose Pig. So now I just need to wait. And if this doesn't work, that means I made a typo. Which honestly, if you're experimenting with this mod and you fail, 90% of your fails are just gonna be typos. Probably more than 90% of your fails are gonna be typos. All of your fails are gonna be typo. uh, or then the fact that your Minecraft installation would not work or something. But that's impossible, right? Yeah, you probably know how to make a Minecraft installation. Okay, there we go. Single player. Load back into Uwu, because that's what I decided to name my world. Then that's a lot of noise. Now, let's see if it worked. And it worked. So now we have both the iron ingot and the thorn rose. So this is the thorn rose. Now, Okay, the leaves might have not worked that well, but like, yeah, I don't really care. We have the thorn rose thing working. So that means, what's going on in here? Oh dear. Goodbye. Let's throw that in there. Thorn rose. And that is gonna be it for this tutorial. Let me just empty my inventory out real quick. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if this helped you at all, please like this video. I'm going for a whopping like goal of 1 like. Yeah, I bet I can reach that during the next lifetime or so. Um, yeah, yeah. Also, 0% of the people watching my videos are, as of the time I'm recording this, 0% of the people watching my videos are subscribed. That's because 0% of all the people on this planet are watching my videos in the first place. Anyways, please subscribe and like this video if this video helped you at all. Um, yeah. See you guys in the next